Good variable reads by Resin 8. So, yeah, they lost that initial body in a tough spot.
They didn't
Or
panic,
put them
though.
in a little bit. Yeah, no one panicked.
But we talked about
They-
earlier, they play with poise.
So then they tried to adjust and get a body out wider on the D side, and it cost them that body because the penetration that Hayes had in the center, and they were able to control that. But then with those 3 bodies left alive, then, like you said, the composure is what's been impressive for this D3 squad. They won some gunfights and turned the tables and put the first point on the board.
Giddy up. That was actually a really good first point for kind of both teams, a little back and forth, A lot of polish, neither team panicking.
Yeah, Hayes looking better initially, and so now jumping into this match with the Iceman and TNB. So it's going to be Vegas versus Florida.
Big time rivalry.
Those TNB guys are excitable, so they want a rivalry with everybody.
Yeah, they do. One of the struggle guys up here talking about it, tell him thanks for all the hype on the field that he deserves.
Yeah, Gherkin. I'll say it to everyone. I was going to tell Gherkin, but we had to go live as we jump into this first point. It's a pretty simple equation. If you're doing something that's just magnificently awesome, I'm forced to talk about how awesome you are.
And that's what we want to do.
And yeah, I'd love to do that. But if you are on the playing terrible, you got to talk about how it's not looking so good for you. So
we don't want to do that. Part of our contract.
TNB pretty quickly getting into Snake 3, looking inside instead of in front of him. He's going to be beat to the 40-yard line here by the Iceman.
Yeah, it's anonymous again.
Yeah, he played so well. I mean, one of the big reasons that TNB was able to blow out Wisconsin Infamous is because 0-0 here for TNB was slightly off of your screen on the right-hand side on the blue section of the field. It was just lights out. And now he's kind of going back and forth. He does look a little puzzled here as to where he should be putting his gun, whereas his opponents are streaking up the field and taking positions, getting into D2. He does not know that player just made that move because he's up and over the top of his spot. So
TNB has lost a couple of back guys, man. I only see 2 guys out there now. Maybe a third that I don't see, but it's 2 TNB players. And then Mr. Anonymous from Snake 3 gets eliminated at the top. So sloppy.
So the Iceman.
Yeah, last player was eliminated from home position for TNB.
Yeah, and if we look at the Iceman's first match against Pro Edge and TNB's match against Wisconsin Infamous, I would have to give this one on paper to TNB because they had a mercy rule win, whereas the Iceman let Pro Edge put up a couple points on them.
For sure.
So, but the Iceman coming out here and playing aggressive, getting some early kills.
Yeah, and it's
that was the difference.
Got a couple new players too, so they're kind of trying out some new guys and moving some players around. So that might give them a few points, here and there. Depends on if they're changing lineups or trying new guys. Resonate coming back out, looking real good that